Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create table look beautiful in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, create a table in going to the Insert menu option. Now for click and click for the table option. Then choose a table. This table is large. Now this table look beautiful in select your all table and going to the layout option and design option, then analysis design. This table is look beautiful and select your in rows option and click for the shading option, then analysis color, that's okay. Then show the carrot tables look beautiful in Microsoft Word. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.